You don't need to install an expensive air conditioner. This kind of fan can cool the entire apartment. Just take a regular fan and also prepare a styrofoam box, preferably one intended for food purposes. You will also need 2 plastic pipes. Using a pen, trace the ends of each pipe onto the lid of the box. This is important because you will insert the plastic pipes there later. Then, using a heated tool, make holes in the lid. Do this carefully so that the box is airtight once the pipes are inserted. Now prepare the next part of the air conditioner. Take 2 large bottles, such as those used for beverages or water. Cut them so that the upper part remains intact. Then, attach the bottles to the previously prepared pipes, which you can reinforce with tape for better airtightness. If the pipes have plastic ends, cut them off. Use the heated tool again to make 2 holes in each bottle. It is important that they are opposite each other. Pass the pipes with the bottles through the prepared holes in the lid of the styrofoam box. Attach the bottle ends to the fan using zip ties, one on the front and the other on the back side of the fan. This air conditioner is almost ready. All you need to do is put ice into the container. The more ice you use, the colder the air that will be blown out. Just a few seconds after adding the ice and turning on the fan, cold air starts blowing. The effect is amazing. It works like a real air conditioner. This kind of air conditioner is a lifesaver on hot days. You will avoid a large expense and can enjoy air conditioning at home.